Hey, Klondike Explorers, welcome back. Recently, there's been a lot of talk online about a method that claims you can get unlimited gems and energy in Klondike Adventures straight from your phone. No PC, no tools, super simple. I was a bit skeptical at first, so I decided to give it a try and see what would happen. In this video, I'll show you each step of the process and how it turned out. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I opened up my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome here, but honestly, any mobile browser should work just fine. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's connected to Klondike Adventures and unlimited gems and energy. The page loaded right away. No strange redirects, no annoying pop-ups. That honestly caught me off guard. Everything looked clean, simple, and normal, which made the whole thing feel a lot more legit than I expected. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, the site asked how many gems and energy I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and chose the highest amount just to really push it and see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared, showing each step being completed one by one. Everything was clearly labeled and easy to follow, nothing confusing or rushed. Before the final step, there was a quick verification process. The site explains it clearly and gives simple instructions, so it didn't feel complicated at all. I already took care of that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check the results. To see if everything worked, I jumped back into Klondike Adventures and checked my gems and energy. And right away, I noticed the difference. The extra resources were already there. No waiting, no restarting the game, nothing like that. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard in the best way. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.